Italy is a beautiful country located in southern Europe. With its stunning coasts, rolling hills, and picturesque villages, it's no wonder that Italy is such a popular tourist destination. From the bustling streets of Rome and Milan to the quiet beaches of Sardinia and the vineyards of Tuscany, there is something for everyone in Italy. Now let's take a look at the 10 best places to visit in Italy. Number 1. The Colosseum. The Colosseum, also known as the Flavian Amphitheater, is one of the most recognizable landmarks in the world. At the center of the city of Rome, the Colosseum was built in the 1st century, made entirely of concrete and stone. It is the largest amphitheater ever built and is considered one of the greatest works of Roman architecture and engineering. The Colosseum was once used for gladiator contests and public spectacles, becoming an important part of ancient Rome's culture. And despite some damage, it remains well preserved, offering visitors a peek into what life was like in ancient Rome and discover more of Italy's history. Number 2. Venice. A city in northeastern Italy, Venice is built on more than 100 small islands in the Venetian lagoon in the Adriatic Sea. The islands are connected not by roads, but through its many canals and 400 bridges, which has become a very special attraction that draws in visitors, each canal leading to something more unique. Its dramatic Goth architecture and scenic routes will make you never want to leave. Number 3. Riomaggiore. Riomaggiore is a small town located in the province of La Spezia, in the region of Liguria in Italy. It is one of the 5 towns that make up the Cinque Terre. Riomaggiore is known for its stunning scenery, its quaint houses, and its excellent wine. The town has a history dating back to the 11th century. Today, Riomaggiore is a popular destination for both Italian and international tourists who come to enjoy the town's beauty, its excellent wine, and its delicious food. Number 4. The Forum. The Forum in Rome was the center of the ancient city and is one of the most famous archaeological sites in the world. It was the site of many important political and religious events in Rome's history. The Forum was also the economic center of the city, with many shops and businesses located there. An open space that was surrounded by a number of important public buildings, including the Senate House and the Temple of Jupiter. In addition, the Forum was the site of many speeches and debates. Number 5. Capri. The small island of Capri is located in the Tyrrhenian Sea off the southwest coast of Italy. Capri is known for its dramatic landscape, quaint villages, and luxury hotels. Visitors to the island can indulge themselves in many activities, whether it's hiking or exploring the many shops and restaurants. Number 6. The Blue Grotto. The Blue Grotto is a natural sea cave on the island of Capri, southern Italy. Sunlight filters through an underwater opening to create a blue glow. Visitors can take a boat ride into the grotto and jump into the water for a swim. The water is so clear that people can often see fish swimming around them. Visiting the Blue Grotto makes for an experience of a lifetime. Number 7. Pompeii. Pompeii, Italy is an ancient city that was destroyed by a volcanic eruption in 79 AD. The city was preserved in ash. Every year, thousands of people visit the city to see the ruins of the ancient city. Pompeii is a great place to learn about the history of the Roman Empire. The city has many well-preserved buildings and artifacts that offer a glimpse into what life was like in the city before it was destroyed. If you're interested in learning more about the Roman Empire, or just want to see some amazing ruins, Pompeii is definitely worth a visit. Number 8. Lake Como. Lake Como is one of the most beautiful places in all of Italy. Its clear blue waters and picturesque mountains make it a popular spot for both tourists and Italians alike. Nicknamed the Jewel of Como, Lake Como is a glacial lake located in the north of Italy. It is the third largest lake in Italy, after Lake Garda and Lake Maggiore, and is one of the deepest lakes in Europe. The lake is surrounded by the charming towns of Como, Bellagio, and Lecco, as well as many smaller villages. Number 9. The Dolomites. The Dolomites mountain range is located in northeastern Italy and is world-renowned for its dramatic, craggy peaks. The range forms part of the Southern Limestone Alps and stretches for approximately 200 kilometers. The range has been a popular destination for hikers and climbers for many years, and its popularity has only continued to grow in recent years. The Dolomites are also home to a wide variety of plant and animal life. The towns in the Dolomites are some of the most beautiful in all of Italy. They are built into the mountains, and each has its own unique appeal. From the quaint and picturesque town of Cortina d'Ampezzo to the bustling city of Bolzano, the Dolomites is truly a magical place to visit.
Number 10. Sicily. Sicily is a large island in the Mediterranean Sea, south of the Italian mainland. Visitors to Sicily love its sunny climate, stunning beaches, and unique culture. Sicily was once an independent kingdom. The island has been occupied by many different civilizations, including the Greeks, Romans, Arabs, and Normans. This diverse history has resulted in a unique culture with a mix of Eastern and Western influences and offers tourists an exciting experience. Italy is a country that has something for everyone. Italy is home to some of the world's most iconic landmarks, making it a must-visit destination for anyone interested in history or architecture. Whether you're interested in indulging in its delicious food and wine, or simply soaking up the Mediterranean sun, a trip to Italy is sure to create memories that will last a lifetime.